Today I will walk through how to use lighting in 2D projects. We will modify the 2D project made in my previous videos to use the 2D lighting as you can see on your screen. Now let's dive in, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. In order to achieve this, we need to install the lightweight render pipeline from the project manager. Go to Window, Package Manager. Under Unity Registry, scroll down to Lightweight RP. If it says installed down here, click on that. Once this is installed, we need to set up the project to use the lightweight pipeline. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Graphics. And under where it says Scriptable Render Pipeline Assets, there's a slot for Render Pipeline Asset. If this is empty, we need to create one. Right-click in Project, Create, Rendering, Universal Render Pipeline, Pipeline Asset. Now this automatically creates a forward renderer, which we do not need, so you can delete that. Go back to Graphics, so Edit, Project Settings, Graphics, and click and drag the asset we just created into that slot. Close out of that. Now we need to create our scriptable renderer data. So right click, Create, Rendering, Universal Renderer Pipeline, 2D Renderer. Click back onto our pipeline and click and drag the 2D renderer into that slot. We need to update all our sprites to use the new renderer. So if we select on one of our tile maps, we see the material being used is default. What we need is lit. And there's an easy way to update all of them at once. Go to Edit, Renderer Pipeline, Universal Render Pipeline, 2D Renderer, and Update Scene to 2D Renderer. Click Proceed, and now everything should be black. Now the reason for this is everything is now updated to Sprite Lit default. It requires a light source to be seen. So what we're going to do, right click, Light, 2D, and we're going to add a Global Light 2D. And this will kind of give like a dark background to everything. So that way nothing will end up being black. And in order to do that, we're going to turn down our intensity to, say, 0.25. You're going to notice that only some things are affected by this light. And that's because our target sorting layer is set to default. Now, if we set it to all, now everything is darkened. We're going to add some point lights to our fires. Right-click, Light, 2D, and Point Light. To our Move tool, and we're going to place you right above the fire. Now if you look in our game view, you see it's lit up. We want it to be a little bit bigger, so we're going to find our outer radius, and we're going to increase this. You see how it's increasing, but it's only affecting the default layer again. And that's because, again, our target sorting layer is set to default. So let's set it to all. And now we can see the actual radius. So if we put it back to 1, it's just a little bit. We're going to set it for 2, and we're going to create more. We're going to create one for every fire. And that's how you create 2D lighting in a 2D project. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I will be creating more 2D videos in the future. I'm trying for a every Monday release. The next video I'm going to work on will be using the rule tile. I'm going to create a water scene that uses all the different water tiles in the package that I have.